Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you around the buttons on the DJI OSMO Mobile 6. So the first button we're looking at is this button here, and if we press it once it will choose between the forward facing camera and the rear facing camera. So pressing it the once and you can see it will swap, press it again and it will swap back again. If we press it twice it will go between portrait and landscape. Press it twice again and it will go back. If we press it 3 times, it will swap between video and photo. So at the moment we're on video. If we press it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, there we go. We are now on photo. Press it 3 times again, and we're back to video. Now if you look at the thumb wheel at the side here, if we click it in, it will change between zoom to manual focus and manual focus to zoom. If we're in zoom mode, when we turn it, it will zoom in or out. And when we're in manual focus mode, it will actually focus. So if I was to go on the box down here and turn it now, it will put it in and out of focus. You can see it just moving up here. So the trigger at the back will do various different things. If we double tap it, it will center the image. And let's say if we want to lock in on, for example, the window, we can hold down that trigger and then it will lock in on the window. So if we hold it down now and then move it around, you will see that it will keep the image on the window. Now, if you were just to press the trigger once, it will actively track whatever it's on. So for example, now you can see active track is off, but we're just going to hit the trigger once now. And now active track is on, and if I move this, you can see it's moving with it. And if we press it again, it will then go off. And there you go, you can see now it's off. The joystick here simply controls the gimbal, so you can see there, all directions. And this M button here will do the different gimbal follow modes. So for example, when we go through it here, you will see it's tilt locked. You'll see the icon move here. FPV, spin shot, and then back to follow again. If we were to hit it 3 times, it will put it into standby mode. And you can see now it's gone into standby mode, and this is flashing here. We can press it again to liven it up. Now this button here is your record button. Right now we're in photo mode, and if we just hit it, you will see it takes a picture. If we hold it down, it will take multiple pictures, like burst mode. There we go. Now if you want to do it in video mode, it will simply record. So if we press that now, you will see it will start recording, and then we press it again to stop. So there we go, a nice quick video on how to work the buttons on your DJI OSMO Mobile 6. Thanks for watching.